Greetings, everyone, and welcome to the introduction of the Forklift Management System developed by Aiur Software. In past years, our warehouse utilized an older version of forklift inspection, which, although effective, had its slow moments, leading to some inconvenience. Today, we're excited to introduce the revamped Forklift Management System that's set to change the game. First, you'll need to sign into the employee portal with your account. Then, on the left-hand navigation bar, under Warehouse Works, select Forklift Management. To add a forklift, click the Add Forklift button. A modal will appear on the right, prompting you to input the forklift's information. For instance, in this tutorial, I'm adding the name Unit 05, Stand-Up Reach Electric and selecting Stand-Up as the type. The brand of this forklift is Raymond Corporation, and its location is LML1. Enter the barcode and VIN as required. Assign the forklift to an inspector. Inspectors should also enter their name here whenever they add a new unit. Don't forget to upload a photo of the forklift for easier identification. If necessary, you can add a note. Once a forklift has been added, you can begin the checkup process by selecting the pen icon next to the forklift's name. On the checklist, you'll notice two options for each item, good and error. Verify the forklift's condition for each question and mark it as good or error. Should you encounter any issues, please provide detailed descriptions of the damage and upload images of the errors. Continue to complete the checklist by mark all the boxes. The checklist is customizable, you can add more questions as needed. Please make sure to add the questions that match your inspection. This will help the inspector to double-check late when the error had been fixed. Once the checkup is complete, it is essential for the manager or the designated warehouse representative to initiate communication with the forklift service provider to discuss any repairs or maintenance required. This collaboration ensures that any identified issues are addressed promptly and effectively, minimizing downtime and maintaining productivity. After service interventions, inspectors are encouraged to conduct a thorough follow-up assessment. This additional step is vital to verify that all corrective actions have been successfully implemented and that the forklift is operating at full capacity. It's not just about ticking boxes, it's about guaranteeing the longevity and reliability of your equipment. Revisiting the dashboard should be seen as a critical part of your maintenance routine. A dashboard illuminated with green status indicators is more than just visually pleasing, it represents a fleet of forklifts that are safe, compliant, and ready for operation. This visual confirmation of status is your assurance that the comprehensive monthly checkup has been accomplished, and it paves the way for another month of safe and efficient operations. We understand the importance of having a fully functional fleet at your disposal. Hence, we've designed our dashboard to serve not only as a monitoring tool but also as a testament to your commitment to maintenance excellence. Let's keep our standards high and our forklifts in motion. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your commitment to maintaining a high standard of safety and efficiency with Aiur Software's Forklift Management System. Should you have any questions or require further assistance, please do not hesitate to reach out to our support team. We are here to help you make the most out of this tool. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time.